Ahead of NSA meet, India on Friday made it clear to Pakistan that it should not go ahead with the meeting of its NSA Sartaz Aziz with Hurriyat representatives when it comes to India to hold talks with its Indian counterpart Ajit Doval, sending the message loud and clear to Pakistan High Commission, which has invited hardline Kashmir separatist leaders Syed Ali Shah Jilani and other separatists. India told that such meeting would not be accepted by India and will be in violation of healthy bilateral relationship, keeping with the spirit of intent of the understanding reached at Ufa, Russia. Spokesperson for External Affairs Ministry, Vikas Farooq tweeted,